now you can chat to your Kindle highlights using AI. You can ask it questions, get quizzes, and hopefully actually remember what you've read. Let me show you how. This on the right is Unearthed. Let me just go light mode. It helps you get your Kindle highlights and notes and puts them into places where you can actually use them, like Notion, Capacities, Obsidian, and Supernotes. Also, you can use the Unearthed app to chat to your books. These are the quotes grabbed from Kindle, along with all of the notes that you might have. Let me make it bigger for you. All right, how's that? So these are grabbed from Kindle, but you don't need to input any Amazon credentials. It just uses the browser session along with a web extension. It gives you a daily reflection as well. But we're talking about AI, so let's press this Analyze button. And what this will do is it will pass in all of your information that you have on this book, and the chatbot will help you analyze it. I've written some ideas here. So the first one is to be quizzed on the books, like with multiple choice questions. These are just examples. You can write your own. This one's a mentor. What would you do in different scenarios? This is a debate coach. And this one will help you journal about the book. So let's go with the first one, the quiz master. So there we go. I'll try to answer this one. That would be, well, not V, B. All right, this is a different book. Let's go analyze. And I just want to show you that you don't need to use these prompts. You could say anything you want. So I'm going to ask this. I haven't tested this, but so let's go. Give me 2 quotes from the book that seem to contradict each other. Put them in a table. Okay, it's interesting why they seem to contradict. Okay, yeah, so this is what tables look like. And you can also ask it for code if you want. Giving me that table in HTML code. And there it is. Clear session. So hopefully you get the idea of that. The session is saved in the browser so that if you go to a different book and come back again, the chat is still here. But this isn't sent to Unearthed at all. It's just in your local browser. And all of the chat information isn't viewed or saved anywhere in Unearthed. It's sent directly to the AI provider. And let me show you who that is. Let's go up to settings, AI. I'm currently using Google Gemini 2.0. So this is directly to Google with no middleman. And because this isn't a free AI provider, I have to put a quota, a limit on what you can use. But I don't think you will run out of credits before the end of the 30 days. So at the end of every month, it'll get reset to 0%. If you do run out, or if you just prefer to use your own AI provider so that you know where the chats are going to, you can input your own here. And this is just an OpenAI compatible provider, which there are quite a few of them. OpenRouter is a great place to go if you want to find a different model. You can go to openrouter.ai, go to models, and have a look through them here. You can see how much they cost per million tokens. So there are free ones. You can sort by pricing low to high. You would grab the model here by pressing the copy button. Head back over to here, put it in model. Go to docs and get the URL. And then you need to make an API key. Oops, sorry. Which is in Oh, I'm not even signed in. You'd have to sign in and then you make an API key and just put it in there, in here. If you have anything in these fields, then it will try to use the custom AI rather than the built-in one. So if you would like to use the quota, just get rid of them all. If privacy is a concern, you can go to the code for Unearthed, which is completely open source, and you can look through it all and see how it's being used. And you will be able to see that none of it is stored or used at all. Unearthed is a free piece of software, but and you can run it yourself because all the code is online. But because I'm hosting this, I need to charge for the premium features, and the AI is part of the premium side of things, which is $5 a month. But you do get some other benefits, not just the AI. To set things up, you will need the web extension as well, which is also a open source piece of software, and you just generate an API key within the Unearthed settings and you put that in here. And you can sync automatically here so that you don't have to even log into Unearthed, and you don't need to even click the extension button. So then whenever you make a new quote within your Kindle app, then as long as you're using this browser with the extension, all of your new quotes will be sent over so that you can use them in your chat sessions. So if you're tired of forgetting what you've read, maybe give Unearthed a try. It's free, it's open source, it's designed to turn passive reading into active learning. Let me know in the comments what you think, how you would use the AI in this sort of scenario, and or let me know if you'd like to see other custom prompts built in. All right, cheers, bye.